Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to create a long line in Miss Word. Open your Word document. When you do this, in the Insert menu, click on Shapes. Select the line and draw it in the document. With the line selected, in the Shape Outline menu, from Weight, choose the widest size. Then again from Shape Outline, choose the color for your long line in Word. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.